Hello my sweet friends and welcome to DIY with Nadia. I have Louie with me for the intro today and we are going to have a Hobby Lobby haul, huge Hobby Lobby haul, and also open 2 friend mail packages. Let's get started. Before I get started on this video, I wanted to take a minute and say thank you. Huge thank you for all your support. I had a rough few months. I was sick for a month and a half, and then as soon as I kind of got into the swing of things, my sweet cat got sick, and then I lost my cat. Also, thank you for sending my mom just all of these beautiful birthday wishes. Speaking of mamas, I wanted to wish all the beautiful moms, grandmothers, mamas to be, fur baby mamas, all of you, a very happy, blessed, and safe Mother's Day. Now let's get on to the haul. So apparently this time I did some shopping therapy. Usually when I'm grieving or I'm going through something hard, I do food therapy, if you know what I mean. But this time it was shopping therapy, so that's not bad. We did, well, for some of us it's not bad. My husband was quite surprised because I did Hobby Lobby haul and then I did BB Crafts and a craft outlet. So those are coming up as soon as all the stuff comes in. Let's focus on Hobby Lobby. In Hobby Lobby, I spent $182.80. I know that's a lot, but hear me out. I got 39 items. That's mostly Deco mesh, and I saved $83.60. So not bad. Everything was at least 30% or more. Basically everything was 40% or more. The only thing that was 30% was this yarn, and it's a beautiful red color. I grabbed it because red is a great color for 4th of July, Christmas, Valentine's. It's one of these colors you need to have in your stash, so I did pick one up. The following Deco mesh was all 40% off, and then at the end I'll show you some that I got at $2.99. I know, $2.99, ladies and gents, $2.99. So the first one is this beautiful 4th of July one. It has stars and stripes. It has red with foiled striping. Really nice. And $9.99 minus 40% off. I got a B one. Look at this. This is going to be so nice. And the nice thing about Hobby Lobby is they don't mess with Deco mesh. All their Deco mesh is 10 yards. I don't think I've ever seen any Deco mesh at Hobby Lobby that's, you know, that's 6 yards where they put like 18 feet instead of the 30 feet. No, this is 10 inches by 10 yards, makes things easy. And I love that because I have a lot of wreaths where you can use a 14-inch wreath forms and just one roll of Deco mesh that's 10 inches by 10 yards. I think that's pretty nice. Then I got a beautiful burlap one that has little white lines. It's very elegant. It's a beautiful burlap. Then I got some beautiful solids like this green, blue, a yellow, then a red, and as I said, red is one of those colors, many holidays. Blue, black is another staple. You can mix it with a lot of things. Then I did get this gold one. This next one I absolutely love, and it makes gorgeous wreaths, pancake wreaths, and all kinds of wreaths because it has this edging on both sides. So when you make like cruffles or ruffles, that basically the edging stands out and it looks so beautiful. And this roll was only $8.99, so 40% off. If you do a pancake wreath with it, not a bad price. Next, I have soft poly mesh. This is the mesh that is used to make gorgeous wreath flowers. And I also got a blue one and a yellow one. Next, I casually strolled by the clearance area, and this is what I found. I got 4 rolls of this Deco mesh that is usually $11.99. There's the price, and there's my clearance price, $2.99. Then I got this light green one or lime one, and look at that, $2.99, 21 inches. 2 wreaths out of this. Deco mesh cost $1.50 per wreath. Deco mesh does not spoil, so if you ever find a clearance, grab it and run. Then I got 3 rolls of this green one. Same thing, $2.99. I was like, are you kidding me? Seriously? The last one I got on clearance was this beautiful blue one, and I got 3 rolls of this. Then I did get some ribbon, also all on sale. I absolutely love this mesh. I've used it in a few wreaths, and this is like the netting one, but this one is iridescent and I love it. Then I found these zigzag ones on clearance also for $2.49, and this is a 10-yard roll. So for 10 yards at $2.99, originally $9.99, I thought it was a steal. I thought it was a great, great price. Next, I picked up this blue and white, and this is almost like a denim blue. I thought this was so pretty. And another one that's going to be perfect for 4th of July is this burlap red and blue one, and I also got it at 40% off. Now it's time to open my friend mail. The first package came from Miss Victoria, and the sweetest thing about this is she shared, look, her little kitty with a little message, her puppy, and then the wreath she made. That was so sweet. When I opened it, I was like, oh, that's so sweet. She did get me some stickers. Then I did read your card, Victoria, and it's absolutely sweet. She also gave me some gift cards in there. So thank you so, so much from the bottom of my heart. But then look at this wonderful, wonderful lady. Look at what she got me. Burlap with the lace, which I absolutely love. And I always have it on hand. So thank you so much. And then this beautiful, beautiful person gave me lots of these. I absolutely love this mesh ribbon, and I always say how I clean out the shelves when I see these. So she was watching. She gave me some. Thank you so much. They're absolutely beautiful. So I am absolutely grateful for these. They are definitely going to end up in some wreaths. And then I got this package. I was so blown away. She gave me a beautiful card and said some beautiful things in here. I already read this. And then look at all of this. You guys don't understand how heavy this is. And as I'm opening, I do want to ask Grace to contact me somehow and send me your address, because my husband threw away the box before I had a chance to get your address so I can send you a thank you card. Sorry about that, but if you could just message me, email me something. First thing is a beautiful blanket. Look at this. I love gray, so this is perfect. I'm going to put this in my living room and cozy up watching some movies, so thank you so much. A nice stainless steel water bottle. Thank you. I can always use this when I'm outside with Louie and need to keep my drinks cool. Some lotion, some hand soap. Now I know what was heavy at the bottom. A beautiful, beautiful candle. Oh my goodness. Wow, that smells so refreshing. A little pamper yourself kit. How nice. Thank you. Look at this, you guys. It says, God has you in his arms and I carry you in my heart. That is just... oh, wow. This is heavy too. This is beautiful. She got me a lovely picture frame. Some bath bombs. I'm one of these bath taking people. I actually enjoy it and I try to relax with it. Some more spa things. The little gloves and then the little feet thing. I love that. Thank you so much. A little cosmetics bag. Oh, I love these. These are the makeup removing tissues. Then some more bath stuff. And this is Dr. Teal's. I feel so bad. This is so much. Thank you. Shower balm. Aw. Aw, prayer cards. I love these. I actually have this on my coffee bar. That way, when my husband and I every morning go get our coffee, we can do a little prayer card, and I change them out every morning. So I love prayer cards. More hydrating gloves, a little planner, and this is perfect to keep in your purse. A little notebook, and then I think this is more notebooks. Oh, my friend, thank you so, so much. I appreciate this from the bottom of my heart. I also got some cards from some of you, so I want to say thank you. And for those who commented, you don't understand how much peace and love you kind of brought me by the comments that you left and the support that you gave me. I truly appreciate it, and I just can't say it enough that I just have absolutely the best community on YouTube. I really do. And with that said, if you are someone who wants to see kind of my day today, I've been trying to be a good girl, and I've been doing Insta stories on my Instagram, and it also pops out on my DIY with Nadia page. I'll leave the links in the little comment section so you can find them if you want to join me on Instagram and see a little bit more of my daily life. With that being said, thank you so much for being here. I appreciate every single one of you for spending some time with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye, my sweet friends. Mwah!